Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video, we will solve question number 11 from exercise 3.2, chapter number 3. Find the incenter of the triangle. The equations of whose sides are: part 1 is y minus 15 equals to 0, 12y plus 5x is equals to 0, and 4y minus 3x is equals to 0. Let L1 y minus 15 equals to 0, L2 12y plus 5x is equals to 0, L3 4y minus 3x is equals to 0. Applying intersection formula, x is equals to b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. Y is equals to c1a2 minus c2a1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. Now for A, consider L1 and L2. Here A1 is 0, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 15. A2 is 5, B2 is 12 and C2 is 0. X is equals to 1 into 0 minus 12 into minus 15 divided by 0 into 12 minus 5 into 1. Y is equals to minus 15 into 5 minus 0 into 0 divided by 0 into 12 minus 5 into 1. X is equals to 0 plus 180 divided by 0 minus 5. Y is equals to minus 75 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 5. तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू आ गई -36 and y is equals to 15. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ गए -36, 15. Now for B, consider L1 and L3. Here A1 is 0, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 15. A2 is minus 3, B2 is 4 and C2 is 0. X is equals to 1 into 0 minus 4 into minus 15 divided by 0 into 4 minus 3 into 1. Y is equals to minus 15 into minus 3 minus 0 into 0 divided by 0 into 4 minus 3 into 1. X is equals to 0 plus 60 divided by 0 plus 3. Y is equals to 45 minus 0 divided by 0 plus 3. X is equals to 20 and y is equals to 15. B is 20, 15. Now for C, Consider L2 and L3. Here A1 is 5, B1 is 12 and C1 is 0. A2 is -3, B2 is 4 and C2 is 0. X is equals to 12 into 0 minus 4 into 0 divided by 5 into 4 minus -3 into 12. Y is equals to 0 into -3 minus 0 into 5 divided by 5 into 4 minus -3 into 12. X is equals to 0 minus 0 divided by 20 plus 36 and y is equals to 0 minus 0 divided by 20 plus 36. X is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. C के coordinates आ गए 0, 0. Now applying distance formula. D is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिए हैं. नाउ अब हम जो है वो डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. सो फॉर BC, here x1 is 20, y1 is 15, x2 is 0 and y2 is 0. BC is equals to under root of 0 minus 20 का whole square plus 0 minus 15 whole square. 400 plus 225. BC जो कि हमारे पास बराबर है स्मॉल a के एंड उसका डिस्टेंस आ गया हमारे पास 25 यूनिट्स. नाउ वी विल फाइंड AC एंड AB. फॉर AC, here x1 is -36, y1 is 15, x2 is 0 and y2 is 0. AC is equals to under root of 0 plus 36 whole square plus 0 minus 15 whole square. 36 का square is 1296 plus 225 and AC is equals to B is equals to 39 units. Now for AB, here x1 is -36, y1 is 15, x2 is 20 and y2 is 15. AB is equals to under root of 20 plus 36 का whole square plus 15 minus 15 whole square. 56 का square plus 0. AB is equals to C is equals to 56 units. Now applying in center formula, x is equals to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c and y is equals to ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by a plus b plus c. Here a is equals to 25, b is 39 and c is 56 x1 is minus 36, x2 is 20 and x3 is 0, y is 15, y1, y2 is 15 and y3 is 0. ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमारे पास जो है वो यहाँ से आए हैं. ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमारे पास x1 y1, बी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2 y2 एंड सी के x3 y3 एंड ए बी सी की वैल्यूज़ हमने अभी डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूले से फाइंड आउट की हैं. वैल्यूज़ को सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. x इज़ इक्वल्स टू 25 इंटू माइनस 36 प्लस 39 इंटू 20 plus 56 into 0 divided by 25 plus 39 plus 56. X is equals to minus 900 plus 780 plus 0 divided by 120, and x is equals to minus 120 divided by 120. X is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to 25 into 15 plus 39 into 15 plus 56 into 0 divided by 25 plus 39 plus 56. Y is equals to 375 plus 585 plus 0 divided by 120. Y is equals to 960 divided by 120 and y is equals to 8. Therefore, coordinates of in-center x comma y is minus 1 comma 8. Similarly, part 2 and part 3 will be solved like this. Try these questions, and if you find any difficulty, ask me in the comments. Thank you.